When I am at work, I usually wear a shirt or a blouse and trousers. If it is spring or autumn, I wear a light jumper. In the winter, I wear a thick jumper and a coat. I don't wear a suit or tie. The only people who wear a suit at work are the bosses, and I am not a boss. I take a handbag to work to put my things in. I also wear glasses at work to see well. When it is raining, I take an umbrella to work. I don't like to wear a raincoat because I think that they are ugly. I prefer to use an umbrella. When I go out with my friends after work or at the weekend, I normally wear a t-shirt and denim jeans. If it is hot, I might wear a dress, shorts, or a skirt with sandals on my feet. I never wear high heels when I go out with my friends because I don't like them. They are very uncomfortable. I only wear them when I go to a wedding. When it is autumn and it is a little bit colder, I sometimes wear tights under my skirt or dress. I like to wear black tights with black boots. I think it looks cool. I usually wear a lot of accessories. I think that accessories are beautiful. I have a gold necklace that my mum bought me that I always wear. The necklace is a beautiful golden flower. I wear some rings on my fingers and long earrings. I think that wearing earrings can make you look very elegant. I also always wear 2 bracelets and a watch to know what time it is. When it is sunny, I wear sunglasses or a cap. When I go to the gym, I wear a tracksuit, which is a jacket and trousers, and trainers or sneakers in American on my feet. Sometimes I wear leggings at the gym. I take a backpack with me to put my things in, like my towel, my bottle of water, and an extra t-shirt. After I finish doing exercise, I change clothes. My clothes are dirty, so I put on clean clothes. When I go to the beach, I wear a bikini or a swimsuit. A bikini normally has 2 pieces, a top and a bottom, but a swimsuit is only 1 piece. People normally wear a bikini at the beach and a swimsuit at the swimming pool. I wear flip-flops or sandals on my feet. I always wear sunglasses at the beach and a hat to protect my skin. When I go in the water, I wear goggles to see the fish, and I put flippers on my feet to swim faster. When it is very cold and I go to the mountains, I wear a hat on my head, a scarf around my neck, and gloves on my hands. I wear a big coat for the cold. On my feet, I either use boots or hiking boots, which are special shoes for walking in nature. I don't like it when it is cold, so I always try to stay warm. I prefer hot weather because I love wearing flowery dresses and skirts. I think that they are more beautiful than coats, boots, and scarves. When I am at home, I wear my pyjamas and slippers on my feet. I love my pyjamas because they are very comfortable. They are my favorite clothes. When I arrive home from work, I always put my pyjamas on and I feel more relaxed. When I finish having a shower, I put a dressing gown on. Now we are going with the questions, and I would like you to write the answers in the comment section, and that way I can correct them. The first question is, what clothes do you normally wear at work? What do you wear when you go out with friends? What do you wear when you are at home? And finally, what other clothing items can you think of that we didn't say in this video? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.